People say there's a secret around CAPT. They say it's hard to find. They say it's full of potential. They say it overflows with energy. And they say it cares. It makes people wonder, what could this secret be? Could it be the food that we eat? Could it be the spaces that we meet? How about the times when we laugh, cheer, or celebrate with one another? Or the flavors of taste or sound coming together in harmony? But the truth is, maybe the secret isn't in the food, the spaces, or the events. It's in the people. It's about learning about ourselves, finding our passion, engaging with communities, learning to listen with a heart. Ultimately, the essence is you. Because in the end, CAPT is a home. It's a family. It's a community that cares. And that's the best secret of all. Now let's hear from some of our captains.
Like we do pranks on each other during Angels and Mortals. Or we like play football in the corridor or stuff like that. Yeah.
We have so many events together and it feels like our second home. We have like Halloween events together, Chinese New Year events together, hot pot and stuff like that.
I see that offers strike ball!
I like being in CAPT because I can go out with my friends anytime I want. Like for example, we go to softball sometimes and like can do sports together.
What I like most about CAPT is the friends that I've made along the way. I like that when I come out of my room, I can knock on my neighbor's door and I can be there. I can just meet anyone around the corridor and after that.
I think what makes CAPT stand out is how vibrant the community is and how it's always so happening. It's the place where you want to be. It's never a boring day in CAPT.
Okay, nice.